What's the meaning of browse? Browse. Browse.
Browse. Browse. Browse typically refers to the act of casually searching or exploring the internet, usually done with no particular goal in mind. The result of browsing can be varied, depending on the intentions of the person doing the browsing. Some may browse for information, news, or research purposes, while others may browse for entertainment or leisure. When browsing, a person may come across a wide range of websites, articles, videos, and other digital content that catches their attention. Overall, browsing is a popular activity for many people, as it allows them to discover new things and stay informed about current events and trends.